under the auspices of what Dad used to say, if you're going to do something, do it right or don't do it at all. Okay? So this relates to asking questions and your digital marketing. Okay? And there's 9 tips in this document. Go to the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com. You can get this Google document, the link there, titled with the same name. What are the best ways to ask a question? So you want to be a good listener. Don't be afraid of your questions. Do your research and go where the conversation takes you. Use silence to your advantage. Ask probing questions. Don't ask questions that are just yes and no. Keep your questions short and get the sequence right. Like ask them in a correct order, I guess is what they're saying. Take a look at the document if you would. It's in the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com website. Oh, and hey, contact me. Use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up, and then click on the bell and subscribe to future episodes. I've got them so you can get them. It's a wrap.